There are times we want to declare multiple type parameters. Here's an example. Let's say we want to implement a method for printing a key and a value. So in our utils class, we type public static void print. We give it a key and a value. And here we can print key equals value. Now, in this example, we're restricted to integers for keys and values. What if we want to pass a string as the key? This is not a flexible implementation. So just before the return type, we add our type parameter and replace the int with t. That's better. But again, we have a restriction here. Our values have to be integers. This is where we need multiple type parameters. So we need to declare a second type parameter. Now, by convention, when we have two type parameters, we call them k and v, as in short for key and value. This is a common convention. But again, you could use whatever you wanted. It doesn't have to be k and v. Now we replace the t with the k and the int with the v. So back to our main method. Let's call utils.print. Now look at the type of these parameters. Initially, the Java compiler sees both these parameters as objects, but we can pass anything here. We can pass a primitive value, and the Java compiler will wrap this inside an integer object. For the value, we can pass a string, we can pass a number, we can pass anything. So let's run the program. We get 1 equals 10. Now we can also declare a class with multiple type parameters. So here in this project, let's add a new class. We call it key value pair. Now here we add our type parameters, so k and v. We declare a private field of type k, we call it key, and another private field of type v, call it value. Here we can add a constructor to initialize these. So public key value pair. We need two parameters here, key and value. And here we set this.key to key and this.value to value. So this is how we can declare multiple type parameters.